Say hi!
Hi, we're on board with the most beautiful train.
Hi guys, good morning! Nagbabalik ang inyong pobreng La Cuachera. For today's reels, dito tayo sa Ridgecrest, California. Chatin. Tara guys, samahan nyo kaming sumakay dito sa miniature train. Another first time for the whole family. Bless! Hi! Kelly, you ride there?
Yep.
Be careful, okay?
So nice, like all the leg space you could have.
And by the way, that's Brian, Dad Gary's brother. At siya lang naman yung may-ari ng train na to. Thanks, Brian and Diane, for having us.
Yeah, the rail will.
We already got derailed.
Oh.
Ako kay lihok mo.
Ayan, may pa-briefing pa for safety. Siyempre, bawal gumalaw, baka ma-derail daw.
Yeah.
At alam niyo yan, dating FA tayo, so pag nagbi-briefing, may action talaga. Feeling ko tuloy nito, nagsi-safety demo ako sa mga bata. All aboard! Bye! See you in Bakersfield! Tara na guys, ayun, naunahan na tayo ng isa. Let's go!
Wow, we're fast, guys.
Sobra namang nakakatuwa dito. Iba't ibang design na makikita mo. Dati, nakikita ko lang to sa mga books nila Brent and Kelly, sa internet. At ngayon, akalain mo ba? Na-experience na rin namin. Eto guys, tingnan nyo. Ang daming rails. Parang totoo lang. Meron silang iba't ibang route. And eto, may pa-tunnel pa. Let's go!
Hello, 안녕하세요. Nice to meet you. Tell me your name. 이름이 뭐예요? Let's be friends. 우리 친구.
By the way guys, grupo pala to ng mga mahihilig sa train. Parang organization nila. It has been 25 years. Sadyang sinet up lang nila for this weekend. And for next year naman, hindi pa nila alam kung saan. We're so grateful for Dad Gary na naimbitahan naman tayo sa ganito. Actually, ito lang naman yung inabsent ko last week na kailangan ko i-makeup nung nagpasama ako kay Mama sa LA. Pero feeling ko naman worth it naman, 'di ba? At saka nagpaalam naman ako ng maayos. And speaking of school, naku, may finals na naman kami this Saturday. Grabe, todo na to. Pero in a way, parang nag-enjoy na rin naman ako. Kasi ilang years din natenga yung utak ko. Eh ngayon naman, sagad na sagad talaga. Sunod-sunod yung mga exam namin. So yun lang guys, aral-aral muna a catch. Thanks for watching and see you on my next reels. Babush!